Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and choose the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all those codes. And let me show you the first one. This is the shortest one. It's *#06#. As you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is provided by Google. It's *#4636 ###. And here we are in a testing mode. We can check some phone info and also a Wi-Fi info. So let's check the phone info. As you can see here, we can check some info like email number, data service, data network type, signal strength. No worries, I've got actually empty places because I do not have my SIM cards inserted, but if you have one, then you will see all those info. What's more, after scrolling down, we can run ping test here, so simply tap on it and here we've got the results. After tapping on more, we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Now let me get back and let's check, for example, the Wi-Fi info. Here we can check the API, the configuration and the status. So let's pick, for example, the status. Let's refresh the stats, and as you can see here, we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. Of course, we can run ping test also. Okay, let me get back to the dialer and let me show you another code. It's *##225###. And here we are in a calendar info, so here we've got all events in one place. You can check some birthdays, some holidays in your country, some family events or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check all the anniversaries, and now you can be sure that you won't forget about any of them. Okay, so now let me get back to the dialer and let me show you another code, which is *#426###. And here we are in a diagnostic mode, so here we can check some events and also the status. If you want to show much more advanced info, just tap on the three dots icon, click on advanced view, and as you can see, here we have some info like, for example, the network type or last connected. So let me get back and let me show you the last one, and I think this is the most useful. It's *#64663###. And here we've got the quality control, so here you can check actually all of the components of your device. So as you can see here, we've got the keyboard test, the touch sensor, the display, receiver, the magnetic sensor, light sensor, a macro camera or GPS, battery indicator, actually a lot of things to check. So let me show you how it works. Let's check, for example, the touch sensor. And here we have to draw the lines on the shown spaces in order to check if all of the corners of our display are working properly. Okay, and if everything went fine, just tap on pass. Okay, here we've got another test, so this is the test for the screen. If you can see the red color in all of places without any missing spots, then it is working fine. Just tap on it if you feel that it works. The green worked, the blue is working also. The screen test is completed. If you think that your device has passed it, just tap on pass. Let me get back. As you can see, it is marked right here. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.